So summer is here and we have lots of warm nights. So with the warm nights comes different diseases that affect our gardens. So today I would like to talk about disease prevention. You can't always stop a disease from running through your garden, but you can control the environment to help prevent disease outbreak. So there's 3 things that I do for my garden to help keep the disease at bay. All right, number 1, have the plants dry going into the evening. So most diseases like a moist environment to grow in. So if you can keep the plants dry at night, you can prevent a lot of problems such as powdery mildew, blight, fungus attacks, and dampening off disease. Now, some of the gardeners that I know in the rainy Northwest, they even grow their tomato plants under a hoop house to keep the rain off the plants. Now, for me, the key is to not water the plants after 3 p.m. Number 2, clean up old plants from the garden at the end of the season. So leaving plant and weed residue in the garden can harbor diseases that will overwinter. So you want to go ahead and clean up your garden and compost or throw away the leftover plant material to keep the diseases down. And number 3, make sure that the plants have enough calcium in their system. Calcium creates strong cell walls and helps prevent dead spots in the leaves and the fruit. Lack of calcium causes blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. And because the pH of our water is almost 8, our plants struggle in the summer to absorb enough calcium through their roots. And as the pH rises in the soil, the calcium becomes bound and is not available to the plants. So to get around this, we do a foliar spray of calcium once a week all summer long. So we spray the tomatoes, the peppers, strawberries, peas, and lettuce. We've noticed a lot less dead plant material and we get to harvest a lot more perfect tomatoes and peppers. So I like to use a liquid foliar calcium product. You can find many brands if you just do a search on the internet. The search you want is for calcium foliar spray. So if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and skills that can lead to your success, go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there you can find articles, videos, and eCourses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.